Do you see your butt getting smaller while your belly seems to be getting bigger? In today's video, I'm going to explain why this happens. But first, let's talk about something called cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that is closely linked with stress. It is a naturally occurring steroid that plays a role in the body's stress response. While it is often called the stress hormone for its best known role, it also contributes to many of the body's processes. It's secreted by the adrenal glands and involved in the regulation of the following functions and more: blood pressure regulation, glucose metabolism, immune function, inflammatory response, and insulin release. Excessive cortisol can break down the quads and gluteus maximus. A disclaimer: I'm not in any way trying to diagnose you with Cushing's syndrome because it just doesn't happen. Cushing's syndrome is basically a high level of cortisol. It occurs gradually. Since cortisol is the body's primary stress and survival hormone, what it does is to keep your blood sugar constantly available. Cortisol literally robs Peter to pay Paul. It takes some nutrients or materials from your body that you may not need or which you have an excess of, such as the gluteus maximus. This means that the gluteus maximus has extra amino acids to convert to glucose. Another large muscle is the thigh muscle. So both the thigh muscle and the gluteus maximus are broken down. The entire process is catabolic, meaning breakdown, and thus leads to a loss of muscle in these areas. The main causes of high cortisol include low back pain, inactivity, sarcopenia, birth control pills, a tumor, high stress, menopause, and prednisone. Here's what you can do to help yourself. Talk to your doctor about a natural alternative to prednisone, meaning adaptogens and vitamin D. Reduce your stress. Do physical work or exercise and avoid overtraining. Do a healthy keto diet with intermittent fasting. Get plenty of key nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B1. Get plenty of sleep. Limit things that stimulate the adrenals and limit your exposure to EMF. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to never miss any of these educational videos. Any questions at all? Let me know in the comments below.